A little note on the table of contents. When you export your, oops, I go back to when you export your EPUB and you get, let me replace it here, and you get to these options, you can choose a navigation table of contents, and the navigation table of contents shows up at the top of the e-reader. So you can choose a table of contents style if you've styled a longer book with a table of contents, or you can create a quick table of contents in bookmarks also. I'm not going to do a table of contents because my book is very, very short. So here's the ebook, and um, if you look up here on the bar, if I had created a table of contents, it would be right here in the middle. I only have, I don't know, 8 pages or something like that. So I don't think it's necessary for a short book like this. But that's how you do it if you want one.